Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to farm Maverick protocol token on Binance. And right here you can use this launchpad immediately to navigate to this page you need to go, or use this more button if you can't find this on your phone, and press down and scroll down and press this launchpad. After you press this launchpad, this symbol of this token is MAV, and Maverick is a composable DEX that enable liquidity provider to achieve high capital efficiency with their desired liquidity providing LP strategy. So total reward in this pool is 30 million of MAV, and farming period is 25 days, and time until farm starts 7 hours 2 minutes. And this is a bold token you will be able to stake for you to receive these rewards over here on this farm. You'll be staking TUSD pool to receive 20% total allocated reward in this pool, and if you be staking BNB pool, you'll be receiving 80% of total allocated reward. If you want to check this out to know how much people have already staked 98 million plus on this pool. And right here, once you have staked, you'll be able to redeem your token using this redeem button. And if you don't have this token in your account, you can use this buy option to buy, and you can also stake right here, and you can use this claim reward to claim your rewards. And there's another way to stake, but I'm just going to talk about this second option over here. Press this BNB, and people have already staked 890 token on this Binance BNB pool. Right here, you can use this redeem option. Once you have staked, you can use this stake option and use this claim option to claim your reward after you receive token. If you don't have token, BNB token on Binance, you can use this buy option right now to buy to this BNB on Binance. And this is another option for you to be able to stake. Come to this custom allocation and press, and you'll be able to mention how much of BNB you want to stake and press. Make sure you have asset in your account before you will be able to stake, and navigate, press this TUSD and press amount of currency you want to stake, the value you want to stake, and make sure you have this in your account and press stake now. After pressing, you can just navigate to use this button, or also to redeem any amount of value of asset you have staked. You can use this redeem button and just change this to stake now if you want to stake. And the same thing goes to this second pool BNB. You can just use this option, use this redeem, press confirm, and if you want to stake again, change this again, press confirm. So that's the way you'll be able to farm this token on Binance. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. Like this video. If you don't have Binance account, make sure you use the link in the video description for you to be able to create your account with Binance and receive a welcome bonus. I'm going to see you on the next video.